Hey everyone, welcome back to Pumped Up Fitness. Today we've got an exciting video for you as we'll be tackling one of the most common fitness goals, achieving a flat stomach. If you're looking to shed that stubborn belly fat and sculpt those abs, you're in the right place. We've compiled a list of 8 effective exercises that will help you on your journey to a flatter stomach. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a workout with us. Let's get started. Our first exercise is high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest. HIIT is great for burning calories and boosting your metabolism, helping you shed that excess belly fat. You can incorporate exercises like burpees, mountain climbers, or high knees into your HIIT routine. Next up, we have plank variations. Planks engage multiple muscle groups, including your core. Mix it up with side planks, plank jacks, or even plank twists to target different areas of your abdominal muscles. Bicycle crunches are fantastic for targeting both your upper and lower abs. Lie on your back, lift your legs off the ground, and bring your opposite elbow to the opposite knee in a cycling motion. Remember to keep your core engaged throughout the exercise. Russian twists are excellent for working on your obliques. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and twist your torso from side to side while holding a weight, or simply clasping your hands together. This will help define those side muscles and trim your waistline. Leg raises are a classic exercise for toning your lower abs. Lie on your back and lift your legs straight up, then lower them back down without letting them touch the ground. Focus on controlled movements to maximize effectiveness. Mountain climbers are not only great for cardio but also engage your core muscles. Get into a plank position and bring your knees towards your chest in a running motion. This will help you burn calories and strengthen your abdominal muscles simultaneously. Flutter kicks are another fantastic lower ab exercise. Lie on your back, lift your legs slightly off the ground, and perform small, quick kicks. This constant movement targets the lower part of your abs, contributing to a flatter stomach. Jumping jacks are a simple yet effective way to elevate your heart rate and burn calories. Include them in your workout routine to promote overall fat loss, including the stubborn belly fat. And there you have it, 8 effective exercises to help you achieve a flat stomach fast. Thanks for joining us today on Pumped Up Fitness.